Welcome to VIAVI Solutions FiberChek Probe User Training, Episode 2, Setting Up a Test. In this episode, we'll cover the following topics: turning on the device, accessing the settings menu, accessing the profile, navigating and selecting profiles, accessing the tip menu, navigating and selecting tips, as well as returning to live view after testing. The FiberChek probe can be turned on by pressing the power button on the left-hand side of the device. After a brief period, the device will be active and the battery power indicator will appear in the top right corner of the screen. If Wi-Fi is active, the probe will take longer to get ready in order to connect to the remote device. Accessing the profile menu. Profiles are criteria used to evaluate connectors being tested. While in live screen mode, tap the screen to access the settings menu. Use the center joystick to navigate up or down until Profile is at the center of the screen. Access the Profile menu by either tapping the screen or pressing the Select key in the lower right. The Profile menu indicates a list of all acceptance profiles on the FiberChek Pro. The current active profile will be underlined in red. Selecting a profile. Use the joystick to navigate until the desired profile is at the center of the screen. Select your desired profile by either tapping the screen or pressing the Select button in the lower right. Once selected, the new profile will be underlined in red. Press the back key to return to the settings menu. Accessing the tips menu. The tip settings allows the user to select the best optical settings for the type of inspection tip that's currently attached to their probe. From the settings menu, use the joystick to navigate up or down until tip is at the center of the screen. Access the tip menu by tapping the screen or pressing the Select key in the lower right. Tip menu includes a list of all acceptance profiles currently loaded on your FiberChek probe. The current selected tip will be underlined in red. Selecting a tip. Use the joystick to navigate up or down until the desired tip is at the center of the screen. Select your desired tip by either tapping the screen or pressing the Select key in the lower right. Once selected, the new active tip will be underlined in red. Press the back key to return to the settings menu. Press the back key again to return to live mode. Thanks for watching.